question ithi a savings account was opened with an initial deposit of 24,000 rands. 18 months later, 7,000 was withdrawn from the account. Calculate how much money will be in the savings account at the end of 4 years if the interest rate was 10.5% per annum compounded monthly. Okay, so ekuqaleni apha uvula kwale account fakwe malini 24,000 rands. So zimali deposit kule account. But later on, after 18 months, wa withdraw loan 7,000 rands. Okay, the account lena interest 10.5% per annum compounded monthly. So item lena or ixesha lena ehleli yona le mali kule account is only 4 years, or but must calculate bakuzaba kumalini apha kule account after 4 years. So sizomucacisela question kangangona because abantu abaninzi baye struggle with i-question as lolu hlobo. Okay, kokuqala noma siqwalasele into by interest kuthiwe ku 10.5% per annum compounded monthly. Per annum compounded monthly, so which means that 10.5 sizamdivide ngabani ngo-12 because zingaphi inyanga, because kuthiwe compounded monthly. Monthly zingaphi inyanga per annum, or annum means ngonyaka. So zingaphi inyanga ngonyaka ziyi-12. So that's why so divide la interest ngabani ngo-12. Kanti bebe kuthiwa i-compoundwe quarterly. Quarterly quarter zingaphi enyakeni ziyi-4. So bese udivide la 10.5 ngo-4 if bekuthiwe quarterly. If bekuthiwe per semester or semi-annually, mese divide ngo-2 because it means that it compounded twice per annum. Alright, so interest rate is 10.5 divided by 12. 10.5 divided by 12. 10.5 divided by 12. Sninga balono le 0.875. 0.875%. Okay. So sayazi ba koqala kuye wa withdraw after 18 months. So sifuna ukwazi ba after enze withdrawal in mali ne yasheka kwe account. Okay, so now into qala sifuna yazi ngoba okay, first of all sayazi ba depositwe imali, so equals 1 plus OI to the n, but go withdraw into 7,000 rands 18 months later. So funa ukwazi ba imali neqala after ku depositwe la 24,000 rands, la 24,000 rands se yenze interest engakanani kanye khule yade yayimalini na kula period andone 18 months, then was subtract or wathatha wa withdraw 7,000 rands kwasheka malini. La mali shake leyo lesifuna ucalculate ngoku after la withdrawal na la 18 months, so that sizo calculate ba nje bisheke la mali iyasheka yona for how long, for 30 more months kla account. So after that sizo calculate ba la mali after la 30 months yona li shake leyo yenza malini, because in interest means itheni izawukhula nje bihleli kla ndoni kla account. Now sifuna calculate ba how much was in the account after la withdrawal. So koqala sifuna ndoni uyazi ba la mali qala nje bihleli phayana for la 18 months yenze interest engakanani na 875. So divide the interest yethu ngo 100% xa senze calculations zethu anyway to indoni 18 months sebenzisa inyanga apha, because la interest yethu sisayiconverter to months because ngo per annum compounded monthly some divide ngo 12 sayifumana i-interest yethu per month. So sisebenzisa inyanga zingaphi 18. Okay, then subtract malini ngala 7,000 rand. So ile mali lena uzayifumana kula account before wenze withdrawal ngala mina uzotsala ngayo intoni i-7,000 rands. Okay, so sibethe quickly with calculator yethu sinomanzi sino 24,000 in brackets no 875 to exponent 18 minus intoni i-7,000 rands. Okay, so normally napa sine 21,074.70 cents. So imali lesheke kwi account after a withdrawing on i-7,000 rands. Le mali lesayazi ba izawuhlala until kuyophela la duration yantoni 4 years. So from after la xesha le withdrawal to the end of la 4 years zinyanga ezinganani na. Okay, kokuqala sayazi ba unyaka nganye na 12 months, so 12 times 4 ngubani go 48. So if subtract up how 18 months low, say ihleli yona la mali kusheke ngaphi kusheke 30 months. So le mali lena izawuhlala kule account for how long, for 30 months lena imali. So sifuna ucalculate noba after 3 months le mali izabe yenze malini kule account. So sauti A equals sebenzisa the same formula, up in bracket 1 plus I to the exponent n. So up wethu ngokungubani ile mali ilapha kule account emalini 21,7470 le izohlala ntoni 30 more months kwintoni kwi-account yethu. Interest esafana 875, inyanga zingaphi zi-30 ezawuhlalwa ile mali phayana. Okay, and then senze quickly calculation. 21,074.70 in brackets 875 to the exponent 30. Okay, 21 for sure, cornerly better wrong out 0.70, 875 to the exponent 30. So 27,000 lena 369.56 cents. So imali lena ezabapha kula account after ntoni, after la 4 years. So sicalculate noba sithathe into account noba kuza withdraw yonke lonto leyo. I'm sure icacile from calculation esenzileyo because ndizamile ucacisa kangako sinake, and I hope icace ca.
It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing, so amazing.